In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under Ace to Trade. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic advertising and we look at types of media. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, booklets containing a range of products, their uses and prices are called, we have handbill, posters, price journal, catalog. The right answer is option D, they are called catalog. Very important guys. Next question, this one says, from the diagram above, what does I stand for? So guys, take note of this question. I stands for Ace to Trade, option A. Okay, next question, this one says, which of the following is form of sales promotion? We have advertising on radio, advertising on television, offering free sample, distributing printed material. The right answer is option C, offering free sample. Okay, next question, this one, it says, an aspect of commerce that facilitates the distribution of product is, we have advertising, trading, branding, transportation. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, transportation, and not advertising. Take note of this question guys, the right answer is option D, transportation. Next question, this one says, which of the following is an advertising function? We are grading, segmentation, persuading, packaging. The right answer is option C, persuading. Okay, next question, this one says, goods and services are made available to consumers through the channel of distribution, the middleman, sales promotion, the advertising agency. Right answer is option C, through the channel of distribution. Okay, so we have, when you look at the channel of distribution or channel of distribution, you have your producer, you have your wholesaler, your retailer, and the consumer. Next question is this one. It says, wonderful world, the slogan used by a communication network is an example of where persuasive advertising, communication differentiation, none of the above, publicity. Right answer is option A, persuasive advertising. Next question, this one says, a word, name, symbol, or design used to distinguish a product from another is called trademark. Option B. Take note of this question guys, very important. Next question, this one says, the most effective but limited medium of advertising in Nigeria is, we have radio, billboard, newspaper, television. Right answer is option A, radio. Okay, next question, this one says, electronic media include all except, we have television, graphics, internet, computer. The exception is graphics. Next question, this one says, advertising which is geared towards a particular audience is, we have direct advertising, mass advertising, indirect advertising, persuasive advertising. The right answer is option A, direct advertising. Okay, very important. Next question, this one says, services are made up of visible and invisible goods and services, direct and indirect services, industry and commerce. The right answer is option C, direct and indirect services. Okay, next question, this one see, the type of advertising that seeks to persuade consumers to buy a particular product is, we have mass and specific advertising, competitive advertising, persuasive advertising, informative advertising. Right answer is option C, persuasive advertising. Okay, next question, this one, it says, the most effective but limited medium of advertising in Nigeria is radio. I think we have already attempted similar question. Next question, this one. So guys, before we attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. This question says, which of the following advertising media combines advantages of sound and motion? We have press, radio, television, holding. The right answer is option C, television. Next question, this one says, the forms of promotion include all except, we have personal selling, advertising, place, publicity. The right answer is option C, place. This is an exception. Next question, this one says, the type of advertising that seeks to persuade consumers to buy a particular product is, so I think we have already attempted similar question. So this is persuasive advertising. That's the right answer. Next question, this one says, a type of advert that is used to advertise goods that have close substitute is, we have informative advertising, persuasive advertising, mass advertising, competitive advertising. The right answer is option D, competitive advertising. Okay, very important. Next question, this one says, the most effective but limited medium of advertising in Nigeria is radio. Last question for end this video. This one, it says, the most effective type of advertising for branded product is, guys, take note of this question. We have indirect advertising, informative advertising, competitive advertising, direct advertising. So the right answer is option B, informative advertising. This is the most effective type of advertising for branded products, so it's option B. So guys, this is basically going to be problems involving types of media in advertising, a subtopic in Ace to Trade. Practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something and share in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel once more. More for videos, so like, share, and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel for what I link in the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talk about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking your button. You're getting premium information on help you to excel in exams like your JAMB and all these exams will be right. Okay, having known this, click the next button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.